Hi, what's up guys? I know it's been really weird. I have not been uploading like I used to, meaning 2 times a week. I decided it was time for me to slow down and only upload 1 video a week. So I will be uploading my next videos on Tuesday. So every Tuesday at 11 AM Eastern time, I will upload a new video. So let's get right into today's video because that's a pretty cool one, as you already may have seen on the thumbnail, on the title, which is favorite free mockup website. I was looking if I had all my website from my computer over there to my iPad, and I actually do. So we are going to do this on my iPad. Okay, let's go to favorite free mockup website. Number 1 will be a Graphic Burger. You guys, if you are a graphic designer, if you love making mockups, and if you don't know Graphic Burger, you need to know Graphic Burger. So here in Graphic Burger, you have an entire section that says mockups, and you have free mockups you can download and edit on Photoshop. So you have tons of different cool mockups here, from t-shirt to packaging to phones, stamps, and hardcover like books, mugs, frames. Like seriously, those mockups are so good and so realistic. Let's keep going with free mockups number 2, and it's called Freemakeup. Freemakeup.com, it's this one there. It says the best free mockups: Apple iMac mockup, MacBook mockup, iPhone mockup, iPad mockup. You've got this. You will have like browse by category, so that's nice. So see if we do iMac mockups because I are really into this. As you can see, this is PSD, so this is a Photoshop file as well. But those look good. Like, that's awesome. If you want to present your website or something and you need one of those mockups, it's really nice. The third website, free website mockup on the list, is called Mockup World. It says the best free mockups from the web, the original biggest source of free photorealistic mockups online. So here you got like blank papers, view all free mockups. Yes, you've got a couple of cool things, some pills bottles. I mean, go check it out. Advertisement A-Stain mockup set. That's kind of cool. Go check it out. Next on our list is Unblast Best Free Mockups. They are all best free mockups. Okay, this one is awesome. Best free mockups to download. Are you looking for the perfect mockup to beautifully present your design projects? Apparently, you get to go on unblast.com. Look at those mini glass water bottle, free clipboard branding mockup like that, free paper bags, notebooks, ice cream. Did you need some mockup? Because here it goes. Next on our list is mockupsdesign.com. Obviously, this is also free. Here you have a free box in grid layout mockups, 6 PSD files. Those flyers, mugs, business cards. Ooh, I like the free cosmetic tip mockup. That is pretty awesome. You guys, you have 26 pages on this one. The next mockup on our list is called originalmockups.com. And here you got all freebies. You've got some brochure, portrait canvas mockup, letterhead, some iPhones, perspective app screen. Oh, that's nice. That's really good. Some Apple Watch. Or I was at page 3, but I don't know how many pages you get, but look at all those free mockups, guys. The next on our list is called Freepic. You must already know Freepic. You can actually do and find a lot of things on Freepic. But if you tap mockup in the filter, if you decided to go with free, I did free and PSD. And here are all the mockups that are free to use on Freepic. I do believe that you only have like 10 uploads a day, which is way enough depending on the project that you're doing. But if you download 10 a day, after you cannot download until the other day, so but you can still be good to go for 10 of them. So they are PSD files, so you can edit them on Photoshop. And another one of those websites that is like that is not like just mockup is RawPixel. I have talked about RawPixel before. If you go into search, so how is it out here, and you tap Mockup, and here you can decide to do free and you can decide to do PSD. That way you will only have free mockups and a PSD one. And same as a free pick, you can only download 10 images at the time a day. So if you don't have Photoshop, no worries. If you just like to have PNG mockups and just, you know, add the picture behind that PNG, you, instead of doing PSD here, you can only do PNG, and here you have some transparent background mockup, so you can use that to insert your design or whatever you're looking for. I know that in Pexels, if you do mockups, you will find a couple of them. So those won't be PNG, but you can use them to maybe trick it to put your things on it. I have no idea how many websites I just showed you. They are all free, they're all amazing. Once I'm editing that video, I will put that number over here. This is how many websites we have talked about today. If there is one resources that you had no idea about, let me know in the comment below which one was it, and if you're happy that you finally discovered it. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I will highly appreciate it. Until next time, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.